Hi everybody, I am back. This is Sarah, and you're looking at part 2 of how to build a 32-step sequencer. And I thought I would start today by doing the clock circuit. And I've already wired it up, and I thought maybe I'll use a drawing to illustrate how it's hooked up. So that's what I'm going to do here. So we're going to start off right away with pin 1 goes to ground. So I'm going to just kind of loop it around that positive line there. And from pin 2 to ground, we're going to put a 10 microfarad capacitor. Okay. Pin 3 is going to come over here and come up to here to pin the first pin of the LED, or the positive pin of the LED, I should say. Like that. And the ground of the LED, we're gonna just run a skinny wire up there. We've got a resistor in there, and that is a 1K. Okay, so the negative lead of the LED goes to ground through a 1K resistor. Not very good, but I think you get the idea. Okay. Pin 4 is just going to go to positive. Again, I'm just going to kind of loop that around there so you see that it does not connect with that. Okay, so pin 4 goes to positive. And pin 8 goes to positive. Loop her around. Goes positive. Pin 7 goes to positive, but it's going to go through a 10K resistor. Okay. So far, it doesn't look too nightmarish. Pin 5 is going to go to the ground through a capacitor, and this value is 0.01 microfarad. Okay, right to ground. And now pin 7. Let's see, what's the best way to do this? Well, let's see. Okay, so pin 7 is going to come. It does not connect. It does not connect to this wire at all here. Okay, that's going to come down, and it's going to go to pin 1. Let's see, pin 6. I don't want to make this too messy, but pin 6. Let's see, how can I draw this? I think I'm going to bring it around this way. That looks goofy enough, doesn't it? So pin 6 is going to come around. Oh, this looks interesting. This goes to pin 3, okay? So pin 7 goes to pin 1. Pin 6 goes to pin 3. Also, there is a jumper that connects pins 1 and 2 together. Okay, that's very important. Okay, pins 1 and 2 jumpered together. And this is your potentiometer here, by the way, the 1, 2, 3. You'll recognize that, hopefully. So that's it for the clock. Let me just plug that in for you. And we can speed that up. And slow it down. That's our tempo indicator. That's the LED. And so this is the end of part 2. And I will be back very soon for more. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.